I was asked to create a short instructional video on how to create your own Google site and then link it to the CMS site for the school. So here we go. First and foremost, what you want to do, probably the easiest thing to do is go to google.com. Once you're on google.com, you'll see lots of different things, such as your sign-in screen. If you have not signed in, or if you have signed in, your name will appear up in the right corner. When you're in the google.com, you'll see we have Drive, Calendar, and Sites. These are probably the three most important tools that we will use here. Many of you are familiar with Drive. That is simply your Google Docs account. Lots of you understand what Calendar is. And then obviously there is the Sites page. Click on the Sites and it'll bring you to your Sites page. Again, if you ever get lost, just simply type in google.com and look in the black menu bar for what you need. Once you get to the Sites page, click on Create. It's a big red button on the left. You want to browse for more because we're going to use a template, so everyone has a unified template. We have a teacher homepage. Click on that and then select. Now you'll want to name your site. Most people choose just Mr. or Mrs. and then their last name. Mr. Last name. When you've done with naming your site, click on Create. The wheel will spin for a minute, but don't worry about it. Your site has been created. Now that you have your site, it's super easy. If you can type a Word document, you can create a Google site. You'll notice in the top right, you've got a couple different options. The first one is your edit page. If you don't know what any of these are, simply take your mouse and do what's called a mouse over. In this case, I want to edit the page. And now I can just highlight, either click and drag, whatever I want, delete, however I want to do it, and then I can type my message. Hello, and thank you for visiting my site. My name is Mr. Last Name, and I teach ... Okay, you can see it's very easy, and when you're done with that, you simply click on Save. The other thing you want to do is put a picture up, put a class picture up. Super easy. We'll get rid of the picture of my son, and I'm just going to go down, click on the picture, do it again, click on the picture, click on X to remove, and it's gone. But I'm going to get rid of all that too. Want to insert a picture. So there I just go Insert, and I would go look for where it says Insert a Picture. In this case I could have Picasa Photo, I have Image, I'll use Image. Upload images, choose a file, and then you find where your pictures are located on this computer. I don't believe I have any pictures here, so I can't do that, but you'd select it and hit OK. And that would put a picture right on the side. I'm going to save that again, and that is all. The next step, once you have finished creating your web page, you want to make sure you share it. You click on the blue share button and change who can see it. You want to make this public on the web because that way your parents will be able to find your website. When you're done with that, click Save, and it's all done. Go ahead and you also will notice that your website address is highlighted here. Why don't you copy that? I'm going to copy that website address. We're going to need that for when we go to our Cudahy homepage. Now that we've copied the website address, let's go to Cudahy's homepage. That's cudahy.k12.wi.us. Click on the staff link, and then click on CMS4Schools. Here, enter your login name and password. If you do not know what your password is, please contact either myself or Pete, and we will make sure we get that to you. Some people have not ever set up a web page through CMS, so you want to make sure you do know how to log in. Go ahead and log in, and then again we'll have to click on CMS4Schools. Once you're in your CMS4Schools, you should have a page that looks something like this, where you can edit your profile, your home page, etc. Right now I clicked on my home page and I'll have something as such. But what I need to do is edit my profile. So what I'd like you to do is click on Edit My Profile. And here you see what title you have, or your position, what grade you teach, or whatever you choose. For example, I might have put down at one point economics teacher. Your email address, your phone number, I'll update that. 294-7193. Your password, you can change everything here. Right now it's going to automatically direct anybody that visits your website to here. So what you need to do then, in the big text box below, click down here, please visit my new website. Click here to enter. Okay. Highlight the click here to enter, and then we'll have a little icon over here that is a hyperlink icon. You can see when I mouse over it, it says link. I'm going to click on the link. New URL will come up. I hit paste. If you missed that, I'll go show you again what we did. Going to go to paste. Okay, remember we copied our website address from Google. You can see it's my Google Cudahy account. Click OK, and now you'll see my hyperlink has shown up here. Going to click Update, and now a new page will come up. Click on my home page. Going to preview it, and now it says, please visit my new website. Click here to enter. And there you go. Now I know I went through some of this kind of fast. Please feel free to stop, pause, rewind, fast forward the video for whatever meets your needs. Thanks, and let me know if you have any questions.